Releasing the second row seats is straightforward. So doing it from the trunk area, there's a release for you to drop down the second row seats on the driver passenger side. And it's a 60-40 bench, so 60 on the driver, 40 on the passenger. And the cargo measurements that you're looking at right now are going from right where the liftgate would close to just in behind the armrest between the driver passenger seat. So if the seat's forwards, backwards a little bit more, you'd be plus or minus a few extra inches, just depending on how far forward or backwards those seats are. But still, for a vehicle this size, it's a pretty solid amount of cargo space. Now, there's one thing about the second row seats, and that's when you go to release, the second row seat is actually fully locked down. So it's not that you can just easily pull it up. You can, you got to release the seat first though. So there's a little lever just to the side of the second row seat. You're going to pull that in order to lift the seat up. And then to fold down the second row seat from the inside, there's a lever along the side. Same idea, push to drop it down. But like I said, once this thing is down, it's locked down into place, which benefit downside, like if you're doing things one-handed, it's a bit of a pain to lift it up, but not impossible at the same time.